Hey YouTube, what's up? This is I Sing the 80s here, and to everybody on Facebook, hey, what's up? I am coming to you today to do a unboxing. I got my Color Street. So I am a Color Street stylist. What Color Street is their nail polish strips that you put on your nails. So if you can't get to the stylist right now, or you can't get to your nail bars right now, you can use Color Street. They're really high quality 100% nail polish made right here in the US of A, and so far I love them. I love them so much I bought into the company. Right now I don't have on any because today I'm going to put on some new ones. I love them so much. I do have one on my thumb. I haven't taken this one off yet because my thumb, when it grows split, and right now it's not split, so I just wanted to make sure I do that one last. And that's one of the main reasons why I joined Color Street, because I was going to the nail salon and I was getting the dip. And when they would take the dip off, my nails looked terrible. And so the last time I got a dip, I got the nails, soaked the nails off, and I didn't put anything on them because I wanted to give my nails a break, because my nail bed on one of my fingers started to grow over. So I was like, let me give my nails a break, and my nails were in terrible condition. So I was like, I can't continue to do this to my nails because I don't know what it was doing, but it wasn't no good. So I decided to stop doing that. And then someone introduced me to Color Street, and I got some samples. And after I got the samples, I loved it so much that I was like, I've got to do this because I'm going to be buying these forever and ever. Amen. So let me buy into this company because it's not expensive at all. It's like $129 to buy into the company. Boop. And now I'm an owner, of my own company, Arisha's Nail Bar. So I got my kit today, my Color Street kit. So I am going to do an unboxing. I haven't opened it yet, but I'm so excited. I've been waiting. And now I don't have to wait any longer. So I'm going to open my box. So stay tuned. Yay! Alrighty, I had to go get some scissors so I can cut. Just like, look at these little plastic pieces on the bottom. And here, Alright, so in my kit, I have 13. It says on the label that you get 13 nail polish strip kits, and I did. I'm so excited. Okay, I got pedicure. I got one of the pedicures. I don't know the color. Oh, this is Soul Sister. That's the color. I got this is a real nail polish strip. This is You're Cordially Invited. Coral is pretty. Woo! This one is Tokyo Lights. This has been sold out forever. I'm so excited. This is French Manicure. I want to try that. This is At the Plaza. I'm excited, you guys. This is Bad Cromance. This one is Fashion Prager. Oh, that's pretty in purple. This one is oh, what is this one? I don't see it. Hue de Hue. This one is Feeling Marvelous. Oh, I love it. The next one is What the Check. All right, you see that one? The next one is Glamsterdam. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? All right. Then I have two petites. So the petites are for smaller nails. So for, teens or little girls. Little girls like to have pretty nails. This one is You Grow Girl. And then that's my husband's one. And this one is Achieve Greatness. Oh, it's so cute. I'm so excited. All right, so I got 13 packs of nails, nail polish strips. And so what? Will they be for sale? Did you say will they be for sale? Of course they will be. Yeah. You see something you like? Hit me up. Also, if you don't know too much about Color Street, the great thing is they sent me samples. So I can send samples out. So if anybody out there, oh my gosh, these are great. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. There's some great samples. I mean, I don't know what these colors are, but look at this one. It's so cute. Look at that. I don't know what it's called, but it's so cute. See? Focus in. It's on my phone. I don't know what it is. It's, oh, wait a minute. It's Flora Good. Flora Good. So I have lots of samples. So if you would like a sample, you know, hit me up. I will send you a sample. No problem with that. Send you a sample. Oh, this one is pretty. Look at this. This is Shangri-La. It's so shiny. Look how shiny that is. Yes. So I have samples. I've got 50, nope, I think 70 samples. 70. So you better hit me up. I also have these nail files. And I have 2 buffers. Oh, it's so much stuff. These are 2 buffers. So buff your nails. And that's not all. Ooh. I've got some other goodies in here. I've got tips for perfect application. And something from the Color Street crew. Now this guy, his story is awesome, how he came up with the idea of Color Street. I'm going to put that on my page a little bit later because I just think it's an awesome story. Like all of us should really, you know, if we have an idea about something, jump on that idea, honey, do it. I've got a Color Street bag. A Color Street bag. I've got nail polish remover pads. Because when you put them on, it's 100% nail polish, so you use nail polish remover to get them off. I've got nail prep pads. So before you put them on, when you have your bare nail, you just wipe it off with these little nail prep pads. I think it's like alcohol pads. And let me see, ingredients, alcohol. Yeah, that's right. Alcohol pads, so you wipe your nail off, let them dry, and then you put them on. Got these darling little nail files, so when you get your samples, we'll hook you up. We've got the cuticle tools. I don't know what you call them. Push them cuticles back, you know, put them on there. And what else do I have? Oh, these are little catalogs. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. This is the spring summer catalog for 2020. I can't wait to look at the catalog and see what's in it. And then I have a book on my road to success because I'm going to be successful with this. Even if I am just feeding my own habit because I love them so much. Anyway, you guys, that is my video. That's my Color Street unboxing. Color Street has been awesome so far. I just love these nail polish strips. I'm going to put my link down on the bottom. So if you are interested in joining my Facebook group, I'll put the Facebook link down there so you can inbox me if you want a sample. I'll also put the link to my store. So if you want to go ahead and buy something, feel free. Buy as much as you like. But I just want to come on and do my unboxing with you. So see y'all later. Thank you for watching.